Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix DLC files is missing on GTA 5. First thing what you need to do here, you need to find GTA 5, right click on it, go to properties, install files and verify integrity of the game files. Once it's done, press on browse, then look for exe file. If you don't see exe files, press view, show and file name extensions, and then you'll see your exe. Then what you need to do here is to press on the blank space here and copy the path. After you do so, then you need to go to a FiveM, right click on it, open file location, right click, and then you need to go to FiveM application data. And then you should find citizen fx.yni, right? Open txt, and then here you will see, probably you will see this one without any of the file directory. So you just need to press paste and save it, and that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.